How to renew Australian passport online. The first things first is you'll have to open up or access any preferred browser that you want to use. Now for this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome and just head directly to your search bar. And from your search bar, just simply type in Australian passport renewal. Now after searching Australian passport renewal, you will be seeing multiple results right here, and all you have to do is to click on apply or renew Australian passport office, which is going to be this one. So you will be redirected to a new tab, and in here this is going to be your Australian government passport dashboard. Now the first things option is going to be applying for or renewing a passport online. Now if you click on this one, all you have to do is to log in using your email address. If you don't have an account yet, just simply head directly to create an account, and you'll just have to comply all necessary details for you to be able to log in completely. Now, if you also wanted to have like an estimate time frame on how long you'll get your passport renewed, you'll just have to choose on necessary options right here. For example, you're applying for an adult passport in Australia, and if you need your passport in less than 6 weeks, you can choose to say yes or no. And from here, you'll be able to have a specific or an estimate time frame on how long you'll get your passport. So that's it. That's how you renew your Australian passport online.